Just out of curiosity, is it better to go after a luxury homes right now, or maybe the average home if you're an investor and if you had to choose one or the other to get a deal?
We've been an investor for 20 years in the greater Seattle metro. It doesn't matter to me what kind of market it is. I can always get a deal. Okay, so here was the lens I would always filter anything through. What is my 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 legacy goals? What's my criteria by which I buy? What do I have the most intimate market knowledge about? So the thing to understand about real estate investing is that intimate market knowledge turns into deals. So if you have intimate market knowledge about the luxury market, you can probably get a better deal there versus anyone else. If you have intimate market knowledge about industrial real estate, you'll probably get a better deal regardless of the market. So you need to go learn and study what you're going to invest in. Now, from just sheer raw numbers, you're probably going to get your best deal on an ultra luxury home. Second is going to be an office building. Third is going to be a large multifamily. Large, I'm talking like 50 units and above, especially if that multifamily was just purchased or finished construction in the last 3 years. Most of the bridge debt that was put out there, bridge debt is floating debt. So they're doing a value add or they're finishing some type of construction, is going to have to refinance over the next couple of years. So that multifamily, big multifamily space is going to get beat up. Now, flip it over. Where do most people play and where do most people have money to play? It's going to be in the single family game, in the flipping of a home, in the building of a single family house, manufactured home. That's where most people are going to be able to financially play when they're getting started. So I'm going to recommend go to where you have intimate market knowledge. If you don't have the money, go get someone else's money, or go start wherever you can, which may be building a home, flipping a home, because the vast majority of investment is actually going to happen in the single family space. In the Seattle metro and throughout most of the United States, we're behind on new construction. So I am so hot on flipping, building, and developing right now. I have not been this hot on this since 2005. I mean, it's like the winds are just, they're pointed in the perfect direction. The sails are full. Like, it's run that pirate ship at 100 knots, let's rock and roll, because everyone's getting out of the way. When markets are tight, the small and medium investor goes away. But that creates opportunity for those who are willing to go play. So if you are a small and medium investor or a large investor, had some phenomenal conversations with large investors, right? It's playtime. You need to brush up on your negotiation skills. You need to brush up on your data and analytics skills. You need to know the market intimately, and then you need to go make offers like crazy. And it's okay. Go make 20 of them. We made an offer last week. Piece of vacant land, listed at $250,000. We make an offer for $200,000. That's a $50,000 price drop. That's 22% or 25% off, somewhere right in there. That's a big amount off. They counter back giving us 15 off, but they say we have to close 3 days after feasibility. We go, nope. And they go, well, aren't you going to counter? No, you didn't come close enough to our terms. Late this week, we'll make the same offer again. Here's my offer. Does it look better in week number 2? Oh, it doesn't? No worries. Week number 3, I'm going to come back. Hey, here's my offer again. What we're going to keep doing is we're going to keep making these offers with very similar terms until we get an offer that is acceptable to us, that has enough margin of safety and enough profit in it just in case the market corrects more or the Fed raises interest rates more and destabilizes the economy. You need to create that margin of safety in terms that protect you. You have to do that today. Smash the like button, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.